usintshele ngoba abazalwana akusiyo ukuthi abayiboni lento engi-addressa la niyayibona lento engi-addressa la ngiphethe evidence la ngiyalibiza isonto ngithi alihlangane lize phambili sikhulumeni nangumfundisi la kwi-account yakhe kunemali wrong nonke nimele entabeni andifuna ukuza la ekugcineni ngizombuza ukuthi wenzeni ubishop ningazonya nina ndunyonyo ngazodakwa la usuniyeni futhi hanazonya nina hawu uyanya lo bishop wenu lo uyahuda lo bishop wenu amasimbe ebishop lawa ngazosidyakela nina uyahuda lo bishop wenu because kudala kase ngifonela ama-officer nithule lonke ifebendini nizoqhama senizosheda ama-bishop wow bishop amasimba makusanijabulisa ipipi lamabhishop niyaxuma la nizositshela ukuthi amabhishop eni la nazosidyakela nina mhlasele nidinile ipipi nibiza thina can I say my story please nazosinyela nina how niyanya nina umuntu mayenganitsheli phinde nidawe nina yini khona kanye bishop nazosidyakela nina bishop akusina nobizo yi-prefect nje leyo nto eklasini awunayo M+4 awubizwe ijesu awubizwe lutho ukhethiwe njengekhansela nazosidyakela nina baba ibishop usukhethwe njengekhansela akusiyo ukuthi mhlambe khona ubizo likhona cha ukhethiwe nje njengekhansela awubiziwe wena khethiwe njengekhansela uyangidida-ke masuthi uNkulunkulu ukhuluma nawe ubuliyikhansela khuluma nawe ngoba awazi lutho na awuyona wena umengameli uyikhansela wena wazini wena ngephalamende sanukunya nina usanukudakwa nina lento yobishop wenu lekudala libe ngiyinabukelisa la ngiyinabukelisa lento yebishop leni ngiphethe i-proof of payment ngiyazama ukubambisana nani ngithi okay bafethu akutholakale nangumakam sikhulumeni umakam from 2018 umama la wayethi uthenga stand le stand emayithi uyasithenga wafaka ilokhunja imali kwi-account yebandla and akakaze aze ayithola imali yakhe do ibandla lamthembisa ukuthi imali lizoyifaka namhlanje bonke incingo bamenza isilima thiwa tshela ngobishop bowenzana amasimba obishop lawo waphela kumali amasimba umakama watholakala kumanje sifuna umakama lamasimba umakama watholakala sifuna kamakama futhi lamasimba umakama awatholakala kumanje kuningi silibele sintanta siyantanta kwazona lezi ifeba appointed ukuthi azibambe i-office lakhe azazi ukuthi fanele ekhulume kanjani naye thina siyantanta mayengasizi nje man ndunenu azonya nina hawu sitshela amabhishop okunuka inquza amabhishop le ngazitshela ley'bumbu thina isitshela amabhishop azosidyakela nina suniyonyoko futhi ave nesicika sitshela ngamagolo nina ithi amabhishop ningazosidyakela nina fuseke ningazitshela amasimba thina ngoba le nto ngiyisho kahle nganomsuni wedred ukuthi awutholakale hawu ngisho ukuthi labantu bonke laba basebenza phansi kwakhe bayasaba ukuya kuyena bamtshele mfundisi sithola ucingo la kuthiwa nanku la kwenzeka ukuthi ngo-2018 indaba ka-2018 lamalebo omfundisi alibela kashumayela athi uNkulunkulu uyakhuluma ukhuluma inquza kanina khuluma uNkulunkulu la bazonya nini sitshela mabhishop okunuka asitshele ngamasimba thina hawu asitshele ngamasimba thina asilokuthi seduze la eDavidton asilokuthi nina asitshele ngamasimba thina asinamasimba amabhishop la kho bishop la kithi from 2018 ngane abantu ayikwazi ukwakhela ingane zayo i-security peace qwa amasudu acebezelayo ngathi uBaptista hamba lonke izwe lelathi uNkulunkulu uyakhuluma khuluma amasimba uNkulunkulu kune-security elingakhile kumanje msuni kaNkulunkulu lokhulumayo futhi ngoba amasimba obishop lawo thiwa fanele thina sibe sigemfelela amasimba obishop thiwa nali ibishop nali amabishop amasimba njoba beyikhothane lapha hla kushonele ndune ugumbi babeyikhothane lapha benikele msuni ezinja leyabafundisi azonya nina asitshenge amabhishop okunuka asitshenge amabhishop nina fuseke asidyakeli nina hawu ningazonya nina fuseke uma ngabe sefuna usintshele ngoba abazalwane akusiyo ukuthi abayiboni lento engi-addressa la
And of course, there we have it, as we are featuring one of my favorite pastors, or rather say bishops, on this channel, Bishop M. V. Makam. Bishop M. Makam is not only a pastor, a bishop, a father, and a husband, but he's also a TV presenter at the show called The Riyadh Hotel, that is on Motor Love TV every Monday to Friday. So we are featuring the Bishop M. Makam, and what this guy had to say. I think this guy's name is Tabani, I'm not sure, and I do stand to be corrected. Anyway, let us hear what Tabani had to say. Tabani made a video. I'm not sure if he is Tabani, right? Yes, allegedly Tabani made a video where he was swearing at the Bishop Makam. And you know, if you are a public figure, you have a big following, especially if you are a pastor, obviously it is expected to see your followers under the comment section defending your name. And that's what happened under the comment section, Tabani, when he was busy exposing Bishop Makam. At this point, we don't know what Bishop Makam did to deserve this insult, but I know we are gonna find out maybe during the week. But as we are still waiting to hear what Bishop Makam did, let us focus on this guy. Guys, who's this guy? Who's this guy? Because this guy has been all over my FYP exposing fake pastors. Does it mean Bishop Makam is one of the fake pastors? But I think maybe the reason why he was exposing, it's not church related, you know. I don't think it's church related. I think maybe it has to do with his funeral parlor, because we've had many bad things from people about his funeral parlor. It seems like he's a bad boss. It seems like he hires bad people, you know. And yeah, his funeral parlor has actually bad reputation, if I do put it that way. It has, a bad reputation. Nobody wants to associate themselves with his funeral parlor the last time I checked. So I think maybe it has to do with that. But now we are still speculating because he didn't say anything. He just said Bishop Emeka Nwenu is a crook and we are gonna expose him. What do you think he's about to expose about the Bishop Emeka?